Hi, this is Saintjerome of Crypto Experiences bringing yet another crypto experience. Today is 1/21/25, and I've done a couple podcasts today already about Grok's outline for cryptocurrencies. But also exciting today in the mail, I received a packet from Defy the Grid, DTG. And if you look on my podcast, I have a code for that. You can save a little bit of money. The one thing that's cool about them is that you can use a credit card and they don't have any upcharge. A lot of places charge like 3 or 4%, but they have no extra charge. If you buy $300 worth of something, you get free shipping, actually $2.99. Now that credit card only works with Goldbacks. Otherwise, you do have to pay a percent on other things. So, truth be told, I opened this already. I was excited to see them, and I was just going to show you an example of each one. So I am, I'm doing a facsimile of a package opening, unboxing, so to speak. But we all know now that I am telling a little bit of a fib. As I fib a little more, I'm going to take them out of the package. Look, I've never seen these before. That's a lie. Is there anything left in the package in there? There is not. Okay, so these, I didn't order them all because the 100 actually is about $530 or so. So I stayed on the low end. The artwork on these is amazing. This is new. This is a half. It's a half Goldback. So that is a half Goldback is, let's see, is 1/2000th of a troy ounce, whereas the one Goldback is 1/1000. So here is a 1, okay, and then now they have a 2. So if I do my math right, that should be 1/500th of an ounce, okay? And then they have a 5, okay? They've had that for a while, and that is even more so. Here is a new one. They have a, I'm gonna go down below. All right, so I'll go down below. They have a 10, and a 10 is, what is it? It is 1/100th of an ounce of gold, and they have a 25, which I'm used to. Let's see, 25 is 1/40th an ounce of gold. So the 50, which I do not have, is 1/20th an ounce, and now they've got a 100, which is 1/10th of an ounce. That's quite a good little thing of gold. So let's do close-ups. The art on these is spectacular. Oh my gosh, it's unbelievable. It's like a 3D pop. These are the best ones they've ever made, and they've made some good ones. Okay, so then we'll look at the art close on each one. So this is a little explorer girl. Looks like she's dressed like a conquistadora. And then we got a guitar player over here. And then we have a lady in a boat. Looks like some kind of fish down below. They're showing on these Florida Goldbacks, they're showing the fish underneath. Boy, these are shiny too, aren't they? I love this one. I think it's my favorite one. Arr, it's a pirate girl. Yeah, on the 5. Arr. All right, and then what else we got? And then we have kind of, what do they call those people? The, oh gosh, my brain's not working now. But the 1920s girls, got one of those on the front, coming to Florida. And here we have an archaeologist in the swamp studying stuff. Wow, so these are just fantastic. Again, the Goldbacks are all women, and they try to capture the flavor of the state. There's one that I don't have that they released only. It's another one. It was a early release to businesses that would do Goldbacks, and that thing is already selling for like $250. It's so collectible. This is the Alpha series, so you might be able to still get some Alpha. If you get some Alpha bills, soon they will be doubling in value easily. So the Alphas from previous releases in other years have at least doubled in value. So these are all Alpha. I couldn't afford a whole bunch, you know, but I did get a little bit. So let's take a closer look. I don't want to turn that because, all right, so here's a close look. Wow, look at that. Trying not to mess them all up with my big fat slimy hands. Here's a guitar playing girl. Wow. Okay, the artwork is just so impressive. And here's the boat person. This is a new bill. The half is a new, the 2 is a new bill. They did not have those before. So the half, the 2, the 10, and the 100 are new bills. And like I said, that's my favorite. Boy, that is just, the artwork is just spectacular. They got different color borders on them. Okay, here comes a 25. Archaeologists. The pictures I had before did not do them justice of the actual ones. These are fantastic. So, wow. So, Goldbacks, guys, they are so fun to collect. The art, like you can see, the art's tremendous. They actually have gold inside. It's hard for people to believe that. So, this is not a fake. You take, the best way to recover the gold, as we found out on different podcasts, is you can cut them into small bits, put them in those special ceramic cups that you can put into a kiln. Then you melt them at a tremendous heat, like in the 2000 range. The polymer all goes away, and all you have left is the gold. But why would you want to do that? It ruins the whole thing. These are going to be legal species tender in Florida. Florida is a huge state. Utah already has several hundred businesses that take these straight over the counter. One of the big leading ones that's neat is Ace Hardware. Or is it, oh shoot, is it Ace or True? That's one of the two. It's Ace Hardware or True Value. I can't remember which one. But a lot of little businesses take them too. So anyway, I do have a code down below for the United Precious Metals Association, where you can bank Goldbacks or you can buy from them. So I also have, like I said, a code from Defy the Grid. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I really think these are cool. All right. See you later in another podcast. Goodbye.